Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to begin with the first book that we plan to start, which is The 5am Club by Robin Sharma. And this is one of the best books. That's why I intend to start with this book, and this has helped a lot in my entrepreneurial journey. And so the single most message that this book wants to give you is own your morning and elevate your life. So the entire book will revolve around this particular thing, which the author wants to tell you, that if you are able to own your mornings, you will be 100% be able to elevate your life. So let's get started. A quick brief of the message from the author. He's created the entire book while he was traveling from Italy, South Africa, Canada, Switzerland, Russia, Brazil and Mauritius, and it took him to write this book 4 years. I have traveled a lot. When I was working, I used to travel. I've traveled entire South. Traveling gives you another a level of spiritual side as well, and a lot of insights for sure. So when he's written the book, he was traveling. So I think that's what makes this book really interesting from my perspective. I really enjoy talking to people who have traveled a lot. They have a lot to share with their experience. So the entire book is written while he was traveling from one country to the other. So the first chapter begins with a situation where an entrepreneur is deciding to suicide, and she's deciding whether to use a gun or a knife so that she can take her life swiftly, precisely, and without any pain. A situation where a lot of entrepreneurs go through, and let's understand why is she there, why is she at such a point in her life where she wants to suicide. Basically, just a year ago, she was a celebrated titan of her industry and a leader of the society and a philanthropist, and she was just in her 30s, and she was steering a technology company which she raised from the dorm room to the levels of market dominance, and while producing products that the customers loved. Only when you have such a business, you have really become an entrepreneur, because you've understood that what the customer needs and you're giving them that. But things changed when she faced a mean-spirited and jealousy-fueled coup, which would dilute her stake in the company. This basically is a situation where the partner is an overpowered one, probably a financially strong person or a politically strong connected person, who now wants to take up the rest of her stake as well, which she had built by spending the best moments of her life. And now she's at a situation where she has to either look for a job or do something beyond that. So that's the situation where she is right now, and she found this unbearable, and hence she's decided to quit her life. She felt betrayed and knew that she deserves a lot better. See, very often in life, we as entrepreneurs face these challenges, especially right now what is happening. COVID is one such challenge, which is unseen. You would, like when you start a partnership, you would never feel that this partner would cheat you. Or when you start with a new business, you feel that your product is never going to fail. But trust me, anything can happen anytime. So over here, because of what has happened to her, she's finding this pain unbearable, and wants to quit her life, and she definitely wants to escape this pain. So just in that moment, she spotted a ticket. This ticket was to a personal optimization conference that her mother had given her, and she remembers that she used to laugh at people who would go to such sessions. I mean, including me, I was one of them. I would think that I don't need any such help, but that was the thing that really stopped her or gave her an option. Her option number one was go to the seminar and change her life. Option number 2, find her peace via a quick death. So let's watch the next video, because this is where the chapter ends, to find out which option did she choose. Okay, so till then, stay positive, take care of yourself, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and entrepreneur friends especially, or the ones who want to start their entrepreneurial journey. Till then, take care. See you in my next video. Thank you.